Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Moli and today I'm going to be creating this look. As you can see, it has lots of colors and today I will be creating this look with the Nicka K Under the Sea palette. So let's begin. So starting off with a little bit of skin prep up, I'm using here Pond's Hyaluronic Acid Light Gel. So I'm just blending it all over on my face. After that, I'm using this Sugar Pore Minimizing Primer. It's a silicone based primer, so it helps to blurify your pores. So basically focusing on the nose area. After that, spreading it all over on my face. For foundation, my choice will be L'Oreal Infallible. It gives a very dewy finish and also it's a medium coverage foundation, so it's beautiful and perfect for winter season because in winter your skin becomes extra dry. So I'm just dabbing my foundation with this wet sponge all over on my face and neck. For concealer, I'm using this PAC Spotlight Concealer and I'm using this on the under eye portion, little bit on the eyelid, on the middle portion of my eyebrow, bridge of the nose, and wherever I need some extra highlight. I'm blending the concealer with the same beauty blender and I am blending the concealer wherever I have placed the concealer. I'm not moving away and I'm not blending it all over on my face. To set the concealer to stop creasing, I'm using this Stay Quirky translucent powder and I'm applying it with the help of the butt of the sponge. And this translucent powder is so amazing, so beautiful guys. Just try it once. You will never find such beautiful translucent powder within this budget. I'm just setting my face with it. Let's move on to bronzer and I am using my absolutely loved bronzer. This is the MAC bronzer in the shade Matte Bronze. I'm placing the bronzer like on the hairline, on the nose, on the side of my nose and also on the jawline and also a little bit on the chin. My choice of today's blush is this Master Studio from Maybelline. It's a beautiful glowy blush. But also I'm using here a highlighter. This is from Wet n Wild. It's a Mega Glow highlighter. I'm placing it on the starting point of my eyebrows, Cupid's bow, a little bit on the chin area, tip of my nose, bridge of my nose, and setting this base with the L'Oreal Infallible Extender setting spray. It's a beautiful one. Now let's move on to the beautiful feature of our face, which has to be brow. For filling in my eyebrows, I'm using this PAC eyebrow pomade and I have taken an angled brush, and firstly I'm just filling in my sparse areas and after that I am just drawing some hairline strokes so that it can matches with my actual eyebrow. Now let's move on to the main focus, which has to be Under the Sea palette from Nicka K. Firstly, I am taking this beautiful matte sea green shade. I won't say that this is totally sky blue. It's a little bit sea green shade, as you can see. And I have taken this with the help of a small shader brush. And I'm just placing it on the inner 1/3 of my eyelid. After that, I'm taking this beautiful warm yellow undertone color. It's a beautiful matte yellow and it's warm undertone yellow. So I'm just placing it on the middle portion of my eyelid, that is 2/3 of my eyelid. Yes, if that makes sense, because I'm just placing it on the middle portion of my eyelid. After that, I'm taking a small fluffy blending brush and I have taken this beautiful brown undertone orange color and I'm just placing it on the outer 1/3 of my eyelid, and I am just placing it on the crease line little bit just to blend everything out. I'm just blending the color with the yellow and sea green a little bit on the crease line, but I will say that there is a little bit fallout, guys, so keep that in mind. And same thing I'm doing on my lower lash area. After that, I'm taking this beautiful shimmery sea green shade again. It's more like a blue undertone sea green shade, and I'm placing it on the inner corner of my eyes just to pop up this look and just to open up my eyes. And after that, I'm taking this beautiful rose gold shade, guys. You can even place it on your face as well. I'm just placing it today on my brow bone. To coat my lashes, I will not be using any falsies. You can go for a falsies, but I am not in a mood to put on some falsies today. I am just liking this eye look so much. I don't need any fake lashes today. So I'm just coating my lashes with this Maybelline Hyper Curl mascara. I'm just curling my lashes with the curler that comes with this spoolie. And last but not the least, have to use the lipstick to complete this look. I am using here Lakme lipstick. All the things that I am using will be listed in the bottom part, so don't worry about the things, okay? And yeah, this is my final finished look. As you can see, I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you like this video, then give it a like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also hit the notification bell icon. And I will see you guys in the next one. Till then, I love you all so much. Bye. Stay happy, stay beautiful.